This specialized footwear requires expert precision in the cutting stage, ensuring both material economy and the final boot's durability. Mobilizing the food industry was crucial, ensuring that every field ration met the stringent requirements for logistics and nutrition.
From raw cotton to sterilized kits, precision is paramount in ensuring these vital supplies reach the field.
From the initial grind to the final waterproofing, every step in the creation of these binoculars demands micron-level precision and craftsmanship.
Bring it down slowly, watch your feet.
Manifest for the 40-ton bundle is clear.
All right, next car is uncoupled.
From the delicate installation of vacuum tubes to the meticulous hand soldering of components, every step ensures the highest.
The keel, the very spine of the warship, marks the beginning of a systematic and complex construction process.
Aerodynamics. The massive steam turbines are the heart of the propulsion system. Once lowered, the critical task of aligning.
I name this warship, and may God bless all who sail on her.
Bridge systems activation, commencing sequence 1.
Gyro compass aligned, ready for calibration.
Copy that, all panels showing green.
Right standard rudder. Test sequence initiated. All departments report status.
What's the reading on the bore line?
Within tolerance, Captain. No deficiencies noted.
Lift complete, moving to next pallet.
Check the seals on that crate, Private.
From the moment munitions arrive, they are tracked and inspected. This systematic organization is essential for sustained military operations.
Keep your stance firm, soldier. Watch your breathing. Send it downrange.
Adjust target, grid fire. Fire for effect, over.
Contact, bearing 290. Gunner, traverse right, engage that bunker.
Keep that fire up. Charlie team, advance. Grenade. Assault, move.
Load the next salvo. Powder bag in.
Clear the breach! Breach open! Clear the spent casing! New charge loaded! Set! Fire! Fire at will! Load the next clip! Target acquired. Hold steady.
Opening bomb bay doors now. Steady run.
Flak is heavy. Stay on course.
Tail gunner, we got incoming fighters. Watch your sectors.
He's hit. Splash that one. Watch your tail. Red Baron at 6 o'clock. Set target bearing 090. Shoot, shoot, shoot. 2-1, aye. Torpedo running. Hit the sand, man. Go, go, go. Keep low. Get to the seawall.
Convoy elements, this is base plate. Maintain route speed. Over. Keep it moving. Watch your interval.
Easy now. Clear the exhaust manifold. Watch your hands. Coming down slowly.
The assembly line transforms raw components into functional weapons with military precision, maintaining the highest standards of quality.
We need blood. Stat. Type O negative. Vitals dropping. Get him to surgery now. Incoming. More wounded at the gate.
Drink the water. We'll get you processed.
Where were the troop movements near the bridge? We'll inspect the housing arrangements this afternoon.
The marshalling yard is neutralized, and the bridge span is down. Excellent work.
Now we focus on the refineries to cut off their fuel.
Every dollar you invest buys the equipment our soldiers need. Let us stand united behind them.
All right, ladies, pay close attention to the schematics. We need these fuselages ready by the end of the shift. Keep up the pace.
Lookers. This was the complex reality of the home front. Wartime necessity forged an integrated workforce, providing the industrial engineering revolution drove unprecedented productivity increases, transforming craftwork into mass production. Grids. From the arsenal of democracy, a massive mobilization effort supplied the Allies. American tanks, aircraft, and supply.
We need these tanks rolling by the afternoon. The specifications are precise, so double-check the welding on the turret mount.
Lock the azimuth clamp. How are the levels looking?
Green across the board, engineer. Ready for activation.
Statistical process control was vital. Inspectors meticulously measured components, tracking variation to
For many, it meant sacrificing family time, but this was the front line of the home front. Their patriotic duty kept the lights on all night.
The first step is recognizing the hazards on the floor. Pay close attention to the machine guards.
It's just a minor cut, but we need to...
Security is everyone's responsibility on the line. We must protect these secrets, because loose talk still costs lives.
Millions of tons of war materials moved by the vast railway network, the invisible foundation of industrial logistics.
Ports served as critical links in global supply chains, moving American production to combat theaters worldwide.
Hard right rudder. All ahead flank. Stand by the depth charges. Fire 1, fire 2.
Portals. From massive coils, the brass is stamped, deep drawn, and trimmed to exact length. Quality control ensures
Theater logistics is the backbone of sustained combat operations. Every item, from fuel to ammunition, is
From the depths of the earth to the front lines, the supply of petroleum is the lifeblood of mechanized warfare. A constant flow is required.
All stations, this is Jigsaw Actual. We have an urgent update for Operation Thunderbolt. Acknowledge receipt of traffic, over.
BDA confirms the SA-2 missile site has been neutralized. We are seeing complete destruction of the launchers and radar facility.
Your leaders have abandoned you. Lay down your arms.
And on the front lines, our brave troops are pushing forward, securing victory for the homeland.
Keep calm and orderly. This way to the shelter. Quickly now.
Mind the blackout.
We must transition these factories to civilian production immediately.
The absorption of returning veterans is the primary challenge.
As the charts showed, our factories broke every record. This unprecedented output ensured a material advantage that
The success of the invasion hinged, not just on the fighting men, but on an unprecedented logistical operation.
Even as victory in Europe approached, the arsenal of democracy maintained maximum output.
The assembly is complete. Ensure all systems are nominal.
Roger that.
We are proceeding with the final ascent. Countdown.
The tolerances are tighter on these civilian models. We must adhere strictly to the new specifications for the chassis assembly.
Your leadership experience is highly valued here.
We're just grateful for the opportunity to continue serving our community.
This is the confident sound of a nation booming. Our industrial might, once focused on victory, now... The crucible of war forged technologies that would define the coming peace. Radar, jet propulsion, and the atomic...
We serve this country with honor. We earned our rights on the battlefield, and we will secure them here at home.
The Marshall Plan mobilized American industry, shipping vital machinery and materials across the Atlantic to rebuild a war-torn Europe.
The Cold War was fundamentally a contest of industrial systems. The strategic balance depended entirely on production.
We demand peace! Bring the troops home now!
The symbols of wartime supremacy gave way to a new global reality. As automation replaced labor,
the complexity of modern warfare demands a specialized approach, far removed from the mass mobilization of the past.
Unlike the total mobilization of World War II, this new conflict relied on standing capacity. Production surged, yet remained...
We lack the infrastructure we had. What did 9 chain vulnerabilities are?
Supply chain vulnerability, Ukraine showed us that.
To take some.
As we move from the industrial model to the information age, AI and autonomous systems are fundamentally
The rapid conversion of civilian industry was unprecedented.
We built the planes and tanks they needed. It was an extraordinary time to be alive.
Internal diameter is precisely machined to specification, then moves to the heat treatment furnace. The case undergoes hydrostatic testing where it's sealed and filled with water.
The internal geometry looks perfect.
Confirmed. Grain structure is solid.
Bay 4, pressure stabilized.
Acknowledged. Proceeding to seal.
Keep the line moving. We don't have much time.
Almost finished with this batch, boss.
From raw casting to the final power test, these engines represent the pinnacle of specialized engineering.
From individual components to a complete fighting vehicle, the systematic assembly process is rigorously monitored. Our inspectors ensure every tank is battlefield ready.
We've completed the rigging and the leak test passed an hour ago.
All right, the alignment is perfect. Looks ready for the acceptance flight.
Ensure the temperature remains constant during the pressing phase.
Safety mechanisms are correctly aligned on this batch, sir.
Today we honor the arsenal of democracy, the hands that built the weapons of victory.
We built those planes right alongside the men. We were all in this together.